In this video, you'll learn how to export a Notion database to Excel. This process allows you to convert your Notion data into a format that is compatible with Excel, making it easier to analyze and manipulate your information. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. This browser is recommended for accessing Notion and ensuring a seamless export process. If you do not have it installed, consider downloading it from the official website. Next, navigate to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you will have access to search for Notion. After that, search for Notion by typing Notion into the Google search bar and hitting enter. This action will display various search results related to Notion, including links to the official site. Click on the Notion link to go to the official website. If you are not logged in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your Notion account. This step is essential to reach your databases for export. Once you are logged in, select an existing page that contains the database you wish to export. This page will typically display your organized data, which will be transferred to Excel. Next, locate the three dots in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on these dots will bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to the page settings. From the drop-down menu, click on the option labeled Export. This action will initiate the export process, allowing you to choose the format for your exported file. You will now see an option to select the export format. Click on this option to reveal a list of available formats for exporting your data. Select Markdown and CSV from the list of formats. CSV is the format compatible with Excel, ensuring that your data is structured correctly for import. After selecting the format, click on the Begin the downloading process. Depending on the size of your database, this may take a few moments. Larger databases will require more time to prepare for export. Once the export is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. This is where your exported file will be saved, and it is important to verify that the file has been downloaded correctly. Open the folder containing your downloaded files. You should see the exported CSV file among your recent downloads. If you do not see it, check your browser settings to confirm the download location. Finally, open the CSV file using Excel. Once the file is open, you will be able to view and manipulate your Notion database data in Excel. This allows for further analysis and reporting as needed.